I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to add the Now Playing icon to your Google Pixel home screen, making it easy to see the songs that have been identified as being in the proximity of your Android device. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Google Pixel and then tap Display and Touch in this menu. Step 2. Swipe down to the Lock Display section and then tap Lock Screen. Step 3. Swipe down to the What to Show section and then tap Now Playing. Step 4. Tap Now Playing History in this menu. The associated menu opens. Step 5. Tap the ellipses on this screen to open a menu and then tap Add to Home Screen. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to add a Now Playing shortcut icon to your Google Pixel home screen. Step 6. Tap Add to Home Screen. That window will close and you'll now see a Now Playing icon on your Google Pixel home screen. Tapping this icon going forward will open your Now Playing history. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.